The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra could be the new top pick in the wearable tech industry, maybe even outshining the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic with its rotating bezel and giving the upcoming Google Pixel Watch 3 a run for its money. So, when will we get to see the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra? What features will it offer? And how much will it cost? We've been keeping a close eye on all the rumors, leaks, and speculations about this potential game changer. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk design. This is where things get intriguing. Although details are still sparse, recent reports hint that Samsung might be considering a shift to a square smartwatch design, a first since the Galaxy Gear 2 back in 2014. This move could be a strategic attempt to go head-to-head with the Apple Watch Ultra series. Even if the shape changes, we can safely assume the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will offer more screen real estate than its predecessors. We're expecting it to be larger overall, featuring a bigger battery and a more rugged design. Another exciting possibility is the use of a next-gen micro-LED screen, which promises to be brighter, crisper, and more power-efficient than the current OLED displays. Next up, let's discuss the processor. The Galaxy Watch 6 introduced the Exynos W930 chip, and we initially thought the new series would continue with an upgraded Exynos W940. However, recent whispers suggest we might see an Exynos W1000 instead. This new naming scheme implies a significant leap in performance, and we could see up to a 30% speed increase and 50% better efficiency. On the health tech front, Samsung is gearing up to introduce sleep apnea detection, a feature confirmed earlier this year. Although not yet confirmed, a blood sugar monitoring feature could be on the horizon. This would be a groundbreaking addition, especially for those managing diabetes, potentially swaying some Apple users towards Samsung if it delivers as promised. Samsung's smartwatches already offer ECG capabilities and atrial fibrillation detection, but these require manual readings. The new patent suggests continuous atrial fibrillation monitoring could soon be possible through the use of generative AI, translating PPG signals into ECG signals. This means continuous heart health monitoring without any manual intervention, a significant step forward. These new devices may also debut the new Wear OS 5 based on Android 14, enhancing the overall user experience. As for battery life, we might see a 578 mAh battery, which Samsung could market as a 590 mAh pack, ensuring the watch lasts longer between charges. Now let's wrap this up with pricing and launch details. Samsung typically holds its Galaxy Watch launch events in July, with products rolling out in August. This year, we're looking at a possible July 10th Samsung Unpacked event. There, we'll likely see the Galaxy Watch 7 series, including the Ultra, alongside other exciting products like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and Galaxy Ring. As for the cost, expect the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra to be priced above $449, considering the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's MRSP. With the Apple Watch Ultra 2 starting at $799, Samsung might position its top model closer to this price point to stay competitive. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next video.